So it is 10:51 EST. We are in two trades currently. We're witnessing the power of the price. So let's recap. This is oil. Oil is always exciting on news day. Oil inventory came out at much higher numbers. 3.52, which means what? It is a pretty bearish news, and we are buying oil from reversal zone. We waited for this collapse to finish and we bought oil here. So, bearish news was completely meaningless. This was decision point to collapse that started well before news release. And here's our lovely long on oil continues. I'm adjusting my trail. I'm adjusting my trail to 101.50. We are in this trade 20 ticks later. The reversal zone respected to the tick. Price is struggling, just like S&P 5 range. Price is struggling. Let's recap what played out on S&P. The end of the minor trend was in a place since market open. Price struggled at this level for 5 hours. And buyers picked up the steam. This is our second bullish trade this morning. And price keeps moving in the same sequence. We spelled out very clearly. We expect price to continue. All it has to do is to blast through reversal zone. We are here 3 points later on S&P and 23 ticks later on 21 oil. Again, reversal zone on oil 8, reversal zone S&P 5 is exact same formula where oil reversed from pre-market, giving very classic and very powerful buying opportunities. And that's what we were excited about. This morning we said, go down oil, go as low as possible so we can buy again and again and again, because this news does not matter. This news means nothing if it contradicts the price. Collapse started pre-market because price reached decision point 2. Very clear, all in front of you. This is Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci tool available on any platform. And to the tick, S&P reversing from the reversal zone, and to the tick, oil struggling at that level. We protected our profits. On S&P we reached target 1, target 2, target 3. On oil we reached target 1 and target 2. In order for my trade to migrate into a larger time frame, it has to blast through reversal zones. Price is struggling as we knew it would, because that's what happens when price comes to reversal zone. So if you know where decision point 1 is, where the end of the minor trend is, you know what not to enter into. You know where to monitor for reversals. And if you know those very critical 4 rules, you know when not to babysit corrections, as we discussed this morning. Oil was giving endless corrections, and I said our students coming back about 5 minutes after news release. We monitored very carefully. We entered on bullish correction because we saw that buyers picking up this steam. Monitoring multiple other time frames for entries, but this is all. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. And if you know where reversal zone is, you protect your profits. Woohoo! What has happened? Bearish news on oil and we are buying. Adjusting my stop 101.52. We are here 28 ticks later. Price showing potential to blast through this level. Isn't price magic? Once again, bearish news. We have too much supply of oil and we went long. Price will always override the news. I am going into a larger wave expansion, monitoring S&P very carefully. Oil had done the exact same thing it had done pre-market. Those who trade Alpha Wave Trader method had opportunity to buy at 101.30. That's what we waited for. Thank you, oil, for confirming once again that the only thing that matters is price. And if price will conflict fundamentals and will conflict news, that's all that matters. S&P did not break reversal zone. 3 points later, reversal zone was respected to the tick. We protected our profits. We adjusted our trail very close. We are out on 5 range. We're monitoring other time frames on S&P. Oil reversal zone 3 still in a play. Isn't it magical? To the tick. S&P 5 respecting reversal zone just like Amazon monthly. Know where reversal zone is, and you can trade any instrument and any time frame. And this is a reminder, no knowledgeable trader trades corrections. It's a correction. Thank God for that lovely trade. Here's the torture time. No knowledgeable trader acquires a position into this level. It's a struggle between buyers and sellers. Buyers were not able to blast through reversal zone on 5 range. Our trade had ended 3 points later. The dance is on. This is when I would walk away from computer and say, ciao kapao everybody, I am done. This is the difference between knowledge versus babysitting correction. S&P going into corrective fluff. No meaning whatsoever. Knowledgeable trader would walk away from computer and come back in half an hour. There is no trading anywhere short into this level. You have to be out of your mind to take short here. You are witnessing how essential and critical this level is. Hour 1, hour 2, hour 3, hour 4. Correction in a play. Oil, our marvelous long, we went into the wave expansion. 40 ticks later, oil still reversing from reversal zone and heading further. It's so marvelous to see the beauty of this level. So if you know where this level is and you had opportunity to take long on a yes, you knew to monitor for short. And this short trend became exhausted when it came to decision point 1 and staged phenomenal rally. And isn't it marvelous? S&P is doing nothing like that today. It's doing only correction currently at this level. We were lucky enough to take 3 points long, but this rally did not pick up this steam. S&P went back to sleep into correction. So, we've taken profits off the table, we respected reversal zone, and we know better. If you take in 2 trades on S&P, you are out of here. Next level that matters is reversal zone. Unless buyers will pick up the steam. Knowledgeable trader will be in front of the computer to check about half an hour later. And if nothing will change, will go on with his day. Clueless trader who trades with indicators will get caught up in corrections. Ouch. No MACD, no stochastic, nothing will ever tell you what separates reversals from corrections. Only knowledge of price will. Oil is sitting very pretty. Our trade will revisit decision point 2. Reversal zone hourly played out marvelously, contradicting the news. Our trail was expected. I'm adjusting my trail to 101.71. So if you remember, next levels it matters, decision point 2, 101.98, correct? If S&P will blast through this level, it will continue here. This is not to be ignored. because it's reversal those 3 on the wave expansion. I spell out, take a long break. Don't be silly. Don't get tempted to short into this level. This is the most critical level in alpha wave traders structure, the end of the minor trend. Look to go long, not short into. Clear? Monitoring S&P. Will buyers pick up this team? Wouldn't that be lovely? But as you could see in Alpha Wave Traders Club, we had quite a few students who left, had 2 good trades and thinking about leaving but don't want to miss your commentary. See you tomorrow. Left, gone, done. Plenty of trades, no reason to babysit and take any more. Knowledge is power. It was truly a magnificent morning. Once again, spectacular confirmation that nothing in this world is random. Magical day. The end of the minor trend, as we knew, was respected. S&P staging worthless corrections unless buyers will pick up this steam. No better what not to short into. Oil, once again, what is oil doing? Respecting decision point 2, once again to the tick. Unless this level is broken, oil could continue dancing between these levels. I may be shorting oil. My rule 1 had been met, but I know better not to short into this level. What matters is your knowledge. What matters if you know what price is telling you. Class starts Monday. Best to subscribe by Thursday, which is tomorrow. As Friday, we don't like working Friday. Nobody does. Friday is day off. Friday is to volunteer to make this world a better place, not to trade. So, monitoring the structure to see what price is telling me. If S&P is not going to wrap up the correction, we're going to be out of here because we are knowledgeable traders. We ain't babysitting corrections.